Hello, my name is Jess Valdez, and today I'd like to show you my presentation about my IoT smart home project. The objective of my project is to demonstrate a complete IoT application using thingspeak.com as the cloud-based service to push and get data from my home-based IoT device. Now, the key information that's being collected by my IoT device is the ambient temperature, light sensor data, and for my individual use case, I collect the status of an I/O pin to control a garage door opener in my house. It is also wired to an LED on my IoT device. As for my hardware, I have an Arduino UNO. It's got a CC3000 Wi-Fi shield, a thermistor, a light sensor, an LED, and a push button switch. During my initial debug and setup, I used Poster to update fields in my thingspeak channel. Now, Poster is a Mozilla plugin. It is very convenient, and I found it more convenient actually than the requestmaker.com, but so find out for yourself. As you can see here on the left, this is the panel to update the specific field, and a picture here on the right shows a successful response or completion of the update. Likewise, I use Poster for executing my next command on my talkback channel. Now, this is an actual demonstration of an update from my Arduino device. This logs here on the left is generated by Arduino device, and the charts here on the right displays the results after the completion of the update. Now I'm going to show you this in real time. Actually, I'm going to do this as I'm talking. I'm going to actually execute so my code's starting up. It's trying to connect to my home-based Wi-Fi service. And it just made an update 75.72, and field 2 being the light sensor information equals 790. And I'm going to see here on my thingspeak fields or charts if it's equal, and that's this 75.2, 75.72 executed April 3rd, 2016, 12:09, and as you can see, my temp, I don't know if you see my time here as well. This is equal to my time here on my computer. So that's an actual update. Now I'm going to go back to my presentation. And I'm actually going to demonstrate this talkback channel as well. Let me see, I'm actually going to go more conveniently go to the web-based app, you know, provided by June Sun very nicely. Let's see if I'm gonna move my, see if I can get a see here. There you go. She might have should have seen my LED come on. I don't on my T device. I don't know if hopefully you're seeing it. There's my LED. the light's very bright. I don't know if it was very noticeable. But anyways, I'm going back to my as far as my firmware, I have a periodic push to my thingspeak channel. It is currently set at every minute, but it can be set longer on my final application. These are the libraries that are included, and the main loop has the following key functions that it executes. It reads the sensors, sends the data, it gets the data for my, if there's one available for my talkback channel. I have a delay and LED control. This is my schematic. Light sensor and temperature sensor on the left. This is my CC3000 Wi-Fi shield on the right, and my connection for my garage door controller, I'm gonna tie it to D12, which is currently connected to an LED. You will notice that my sensors are soldered directly to my Wi-Fi shield, and I did that for reliability and better connections. I will update my video on YouTube as soon as I finish with this video. My thingspeak channels and source code are available online. As for my general summary, although it's functional, my Arduino UNO have a very limited resources, particularly RAM, and because of this, firmware is not as reliable as I would have hoped. And my current design actually hangs and crashes when RAM goes below 300 bytes. So it is, however, reliable if I split up the send and the get functions, which reduces the RAM requirements. Anyways, thank you for watching my demo.